This is a Fasco Decorator that's been featured in a couple other videos. To protect that flywheel, because they don't make them anymore and they're notorious for being weak, I have switched the high and low speed around on the switch so it starts on low. And that's only to protect the flywheel. It's about as fast as it gets. I really don't want to run it on high. I'll turn it up on high, but then I'll turn it right back off because it starts wobbling pretty bad. And again, that flywheel's the only one I have, and don't make them anymore. You cannot get them. So I'm not really willing to risk that flywheel. I'm not even going to reverse it.